you're looking to enhance the graphics performance of your PlayStation 5, there are several settings and adjustments you can make. Follow these steps to optimize your gaming experience. Step 1. Access Settings. Navigate to the main menu of your PlayStation 5 and select the settings icon. This is usually represented by a gear symbol in the top right corner of the screen. Step 2. Go to Screen and Video. In the settings menu, scroll down and select Screen and Video. This section contains various options related to video output and display settings. Step 3. Adjust Resolution. Within the Screen and Video settings, find the Video Output section. Here, you can adjust the resolution settings. Set it to the highest supported resolution for your display to ensure optimal graphics quality. Step 4. Enable Performance Mode. Look for the Game Presets option in the Settings menu. Under this section, you can choose Performance Mode for games that support it. This mode prioritizes frame rate over resolution, providing a smoother gaming experience. Step 5. Update System Software. Finally, ensure your PlayStation 5 is running the latest system software. Go back to the Settings menu, select System, then System Software, and choose System Software Update. Keeping your console updated can improve performance and graphics capabilities. By following these steps, you can enhance the graphics settings on your PlayStation 5 for a better gaming experience. Enjoy your games.